Hi guys, once again I'm here from Top 10 Mobiles with a new repair. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel below. So today I'm just gonna show you how to replace the battery of Samsung S6 Edge Plus, the Samsung S6 Edge Plus. So let's start. First of all, you have to give heat from 3 to 6 minutes on all this part, which is the back door of the phone. So let's start it. Right guys, so I've started already, so just skip the regular heat patterns on the all four parts on the back door of the Samsung S6 Edge Plus. Make sure you give the heat in the balanced amount on all parts, not just on one bit. Right? Right guys, so hold on. Now with this steel rod, we're just gonna start from the sides. There you go. You can just try slightly on all parts. There you go. And as you can see here, that's the back door separate. Now for the battery, you need to open all these screws. You need to take this tape out first, open all these screws, and make sure you take out the SIM slot from here, because when you will pull out, this might break. So let's start from here. I'm just taking this tape out. Start from the top, the screw. Right guys, so I'm just taking out the screws loose, so just need to take this out. Here we go, just a few left. They're all open, it's just they're not, and I will just pull over, will come off. And the last, here we go. Right. First thing, I will just take out the SIM slot. There you go. Now if you just do like this, all screws here coming out. Very good. Right, so if you just do a little bit push from here, as you can see, the frame is just coming out. Here we go. Frame is just here. So that's the battery. Here I will just unplug the battery connector from here. I'll just give a little bit heat over here. Pull out the battery, put the new battery. Yeah. Again, as you can see, I just got the heat. Now I'm just trying to pull this out slowly. This is just coming. And here you go, the battery is here. Now we just gonna put the new battery over here. Tape is already there. If there is no tape, you can just put the tape here. Connect the new battery, then we will see. Alright, here's the new battery. I'm just going to test it first. Here, I'll just put here. I'll just put the charger, try to power on. We'll see it comes up. Let it charge for a bit, then we'll see if it will come up or not. Right guys, so as you can see on the screen, it's charging. The battery has just picked up. Right, so the battery is tested, so you can put it back now. Right here, so there was already tape, so I didn't put any tape. Battery is already fit in. Connector is connected. Now I'll put back the housing cover. Before that, make sure you put the IMEI sticker back from the old battery to the new one. Put this housing cover back. Start from the bottom, just slightly push it and take it up to the top slowly. And just put back the housing frame and slightly push it, not too much pressure. Here, now we will put back all the screws and then we'll put back the back door. First, start putting the screws back on. Start from the top. There you go. And just a few more left. Here we go. Third last, second last, and the last. Here we go. All screws are done, so I will just put back the SIM slot here, which is just SIM slot is just here. Here you go. And now I'll put back the back door. This back door, I've already got the tape, so I will just slightly press over it. And just a little bit heat over here, and that's it. So it's all done. Now we'll try to power on and see if it works. Here you go, guys. As you can see, the battery has worked. It's all working. I'll just put it on charge because it's the new battery that might need a little bit charging. So it's all done, guys. Right, guys, as you can see, the Samsung S6 Edge Plus battery is fixed. It's all working. It's on charge now. Right. So today I've just shown you how to replace the battery of Samsung S6 Edge Plus. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel below first. If you like the video, please share and comment. And make sure you subscribe the channel for more repairs. Till the new repair, bye.